December 10th, we have another one. It is elderberry and echinacea. I'm just reading the back of it again. Licorice root, ginger root, echinacea root and leaf, beetroot, aniseed, rose hip, elderflower, peppermint leaf, orange peel, elderberry, hibiscus flower, orange essential oil flavour and black currant flavour. 99.9% of organic ingredients. Let's give it a try. I could taste the elderberry. It makes it taste more sweeter. Sorry, I could taste the sweetness. That's why my face went a bit. Was not expecting that and the smell of it. But yeah, it's not too bad. Enjoy.